Hey, Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com. Markets kind of sucks, but not everything does. Gold is one of those things that is working pretty well. Now, you look at GLD, fine, but it's really, really gappy here. That's just the nature of an ETF that tracks a metal. So this is pretty gappy, but this GDXJ, which are the small cap gold miners, this is working really, really well. It would have been nice to have gotten in yesterday, but I can't pretend that I saw it. Though I will tell you, several of our members did. I've been out, just really got back yesterday, and I noticed several people were in gold. I'm not sure if they were in GDXJ. They might have just been in the regular GDX, but the charts look pretty much the same. But anyway, some of these guys got in on it. I didn't. I did today. But I still think this is pretty early. I'm just looking at GDXJ now. Buying this thing now, you can see 2 days, really nice moves higher here. Today was above average volume on a breakout, really, really good, strong close. So this thing works really all across the board. Weekly chart, you could say, oh, well, this is still in a downtrend. Okay, fine. I'm not saying this goes up to $60, but I am saying this. On a weekly chart, you can see a series like here's like a triple bottom, right? Well, it turns out that didn't work out. So this is traded lower, lower low, then a lower low here. So this is all bad stuff. But then now we're starting to get these higher prices. They're above the red line here, which is the 10-week or 50-day moving average. You could almost, this would be, you'd probably have to be on acid to really truly see this. I'm not, by the way. But you could almost say like, hey, look, here's an inverse head and shoulder pattern here. It's the right shoulder here that kind of you're really guessing. You're kind of stretching the rules of imagination if you're going to look at this as a right shoulder. But still, the dynamic remains. I think we've got a really strong reversal pattern here, and now this is coming out of a really nice squeeze. So I think you could buy this thing here and then be putting a stop. Give it an 8 or 9% stop, something like that. I don't think you'll have to worry about it too much. I think this is going higher, but we'll see. I put this on our active trade list along with a few others. So if you didn't get in on our membership, then I'll just suggest that you do that. We're doing a lot of good things in Stock Market Mentor on the membership side. Great active forum, so I hope you'll be a part of it. All right, see you next time.